Hi guys, I'm Nazif Butcher and today I'm gonna show you the beef prime rib. I have it aged for 45 days, okay? So I've already removed the backbone here. Look at this. Look at this. So if you don't know about the meat, you'll probably think, oh, this is bad. But no, this is aged 45 days. So let's go ahead and trim it. So I'm gonna make this into rib eye. Alright guys, get rid of this top layer. Once I'm finished, you will see how beautiful this steak is. Guys, this is the reason why aged steak is more expensive, because as you can see, a lot of it gets trimmed out and you have very less left. Okay, so see all of this black spot? We get to remove all of this. This was aged for 45 days and this is for my home. I'll show you. See this? Very bitter taste, so I have to trim it out. Same thing on this side. Okay. Now, I think that looks good enough. See? This is the prime rib. So I made it into ribeye steak. Let's get a few slices. I don't like my steaks too thick, so this is the size I slice. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering about the knife, this is Dalstrong's Night Shark series. It's a beautiful knife. I love using this because of the handle, the grip. It's very sharp, the blade. This is Dalstrong's Night Shark series. Check them out, guys. I'm gonna leave a link in the comments, so give them a visit and check out their knives. Look how beautiful this steak is, huh? Wow. Oh, actually, you know what? I got another knife over here I would like to show you. This is Dalstrong's. This is their Valhalla series. You see? That's also a beautiful knife. Oh, the marbling gets better towards the end. See, guys? This is 45 days old ribeye steak. Once again, the knives, guys. This is the Valhalla series and this is the Night Shark series. My favorite Night Shark. I love it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you very much.